Hello everyone, back again with us. Welcome to Moto Stylish channel. Today we will introduce the 2022 Aprilia RSV4 Factory. It's hard to describe the thrills of the track, but we can at least try. Imagine the thrills of riding a motorcycle on a racing track. The shivers that run down your spine as you hit top speed, the flow of adrenaline as you accelerate on the bends, the sharp intake of breath as you power towards the finishing line. Welcome to the RSV4 Factory experience. A premium superbike at the top of its category, it is designed for riders who crave high performance without compromising the quality and safety levels that are synonymous with Aprilia. The ultimate superbike. The RSV4 is so much more than a bike with a powerful engine. It's the result of an ambitious project undertaken by the Aprilia Racing Division. They adopted the most cutting-edge technology and developed a bike with integrated aerodynamic winglets, improved aerodynamic efficiency, 217 HP, and more torque than ever before, which was all presented in the signature Aprilia chassis. This is a true masterpiece that is destined to send your pulses racing from the moment you set your eyes on it. Once again, the Aprilia RSV4 has done the seemingly impossible, taking aerodynamic efficiency up another notch with its integrated aerodynamic winglets and a double-layered fairing. There is also the racing world-derived inverted swing arm and new electronics package with advanced APRC, a mighty 217 HP, increased torque, and of course the unmistakable Aprilia chassis. Cruising through rounds of rigorous comparative testing the world over, the RSV4 has proved its mettle, rising to the occasion like a true champion. As with all superbike lovers, after finishing watching a successful MotoGP season, many fans are found muttering to themselves. If you're an Aprilia Factory fan, the RSV4 and RSV4 Factory is the closest thing you will find to a full-fledged MotoGP machine in their entire 2022 model lineup. Last year brought a brand new engine to the RSV4 family in the form of a 1,099 cubic centimeters inline-4 capable of laying down a heart-stopping 217 claimed horsepower. Along with numerous overhauls to their entire lineup last year, the RSV4 brothers saw updates to their aesthetics in the form of MotoGP-inspired winglets for added downforce in addition to a major over-facelift. To experience the full force of Aprilia's performance catalog, the Italian motorcycle designer offers a factory edition with upgraded performance parts to increase handling and maneuverability. The RSV4 Factory is Aprilia's top-of-the-line model in their entire 2022 lineup, and it has the added bonuses to give it a leg up when compared to the standard version. A bigger TFT dash gives you more visual real estate to control Aprilia's Performance Ride Control (APRC) system, utilizing a new Aprilia ECU and 6-axis inertial system for added computational assists depending on your rider modes. The Factory Edition also brings lightweight, forged aluminum wheels, semi-active Olane's Smart EC 2.0 suspension, and Brembo Stylema brakes to boot. The Aprilia price. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 starts at $18,999 $20,995 Canadian dollars. The 2022 Aprilia RSV4 Factory starts at $25,999 $27,495 Canadian dollars.